ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwumadi so dia we kan si won sempa esa kena no pensu ja me de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace akudi catch back pe the only nomenclature of professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya na meko no quantum coding small do esa kena no pensu biu e we Ghana gudim ejao ka kire busuafo namfofo oyere oma wo fasefo nananom ukrumo no mprafo na sa prof ginam idea we can see won sempa esa kena no pensu e Adom TV so ebrew hye no soma me senwuma ku no ebes miensa omna bom ska dwetema di dwumadi kase tia ebrew Kingdom Herba the Kingdom Herba capsules no na saba the Kingdom Garlic Bitters and afi Kingdom Garlic Capsules na ba untimi mmene capsules na no bitters ni bi betia boa body immune system no prior de bia fi di nim na ho etimi san edene esan eboa lower blood pressure no cholesterol na afi so reduce sugar level no esan reduce fat emojerim na boa maniama 822 de ma edo ne din the Kingdom Garlic Bitters na afi Kingdom Garlic Capsules na medi wadanse e de ama no esan the new Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules aba memedro no recommended for sexual weakness ohwese na mercy course na ya na ebunikum a mesro bomode ada won setimi ke bebetia bo dwuma best on hwero ha na akire na ebeyi waste pain safio mental stress na fe produce energy extra iwale obo dwuma ade akwakire pa ba aboa manema 822 di amount mema no bomode ada se won sabetia ka Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules na ebetimi di bronya yie pa na nema 822 di amount ema no so de nie e de tremendous capsules aba ohwen cambonia ene ADS a won setimi ka tremendous capsules bi etimi boa yi candidiasis white fever na so de profio prapra hifio mamafo timi san twem ho a won ani count de bia no won be pese won be san twem ho enti man san ka tremendous capsules no manadro memma no etoma ma no so won beje afi Kingdom home estate nso kire se fisa bere kode wode adan papa aba enti aboche fomunwa so na montie opedan etian san tode a taye Kingdom home estate nso de hihye so kwetian ba we affordable houses afi facilities no ho no otimi sampa eni obia endi chemupe wodwani etian san chema kwan edam se kama serene environment na fin so high standard security service ho CCTV so ma sa konfoyanfu bi so mobile ewura ho a wo betia se ho ntempt na afi wetia bu police for mane electricity nyam kana ni gina so na afi crisis standby generators ho a eno so etia saboa na odwani check Kingdom Home Estate akache a obetimi asako be 30 minutes drive na okọ every botanical gardens okohwe ni so ade eno probability force na abeso okọ obetia ko na afi so kwa no Safari Valley Resort so betimi do etia sa kire ho tete kwashiro na about nso odwani etia sa kire ma na se we no hospital no esa ben ho a ni na no obetimi akohwe opomodo nsem ti uti sabia ho a enya dia wo ha okra tutumika na one Kingdom phone pen fo etia sa ni so omo ekopon right after Latte Junction no onsa ebetimi akom Kingdom Herbal Center for Kanshi Daglin obetia from 0536149961 na one pen for etia twenkom pacho na mani bio 0536149961 na fe one pen for edin komo 0536149961 na fe one edin so obetia from 0303939987 na one Kingdom Herbal Center for pen for twenkom ye ka Kingdom a ose no challenger wo mo etachiri pa ne no pai ye den komo no 18 asaba game park games enso e de chacha so kwatien asaba manfo e de mo agim na boys dia edi no enyasem kuma kra modern da se onso do hu betien asaji mu bi na draw no e ba so e wa nopa e wa Adom TV so na afawia so asaba so na afanyumre etian ba so nti wendi anopa obetien e de awia wendi awia so obetien de anwumre obetien so de anopa e de awia asan de anwumre nyina e de apeso we game park games so mhyehyɛ so kokra won so e de ejan yenhyen komo na ase dia na mehya ase de fi Manchester City for kache oni ya charge for nti Manchester City and out say Sergio Manucho the revolving and oscillating report on the native sa kire ya ne aba ne say eni o man tian control mo players na mra o ye say referee ugina Kensi nim na auto ayerem ama Kensi na hyase no ase wo mo ekọ no so mchese ntweyi nti o mo 3-3 draw mo tian sa ball na no ada o mo ne Tottenham Hotspur no ho aso twen echi bia ebeba yakọ EPL na mu so eneyi no Wolves beton say dia fe Burnley no ma hyesi akan na fe Luton Town beton say dia fe Arsenal na omso de o ma Kensi ne etian bo so ehol mtiwe English Premier League outstanding gamer eno so ebetia to fam Momentin tom e Ghana nkomom dia the senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana na no ada omo etime ene Namibia for eboya omo twa Namibia for 3-1 the only gamer Nora Hotel coach penyipa edema Black Queens wadi entro anase wa consider e wo sa dwumadi etwensa piem no na qualifiers na etwensa to so makopie mo South Africa de dada ene bibia metwema Black Queens ene Namibia foi ebesa de return leg encounter na etwen boso e wo South Africa for share so ye de honkomo enso ebetia braw na wo sena niama esia kodemum Ghana Kensi eche Namibia for etwom 3-1 no see ene sikoi
We had a good game at home with a big crowd, so it was absolutely fantastic. We won the game 3-1, so it's good to come with this result in our backpack down here. We are very focused, very humble, we are very determined. We work a lot on our values, and determination is one thing. So yeah, we had a good start now. Trained today in the stadium here. It's an amazing pitch which we adore, you know, because we are a team who likes to play, and the ball is rolling fast here. So for us, everything.
Enti near Abano no Efasana Niama is here cause the mother senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana Nora Hotel and any Oyen Kunya on the Jumedia Udim so far no wetimi I recorded 10 wins 34 goals and our share and our consider just 1 goal and Namibia for ya and an ano fiada a koba se umpusu ya tena bako return again counter ne and also a bit answer to the immediately na de honkomo kakran so etimi ejaw na yakoma na se goal scorer and the Steve Mukwela and also akasa kakra na nura outstanding game ba kwetwen aba so Ghana Premier League nim Great Olympics for trance ema Lagos Cities etwameka mienu omantimi ensimaje afi kotoko echibrikum Chelsea etwaneka ba kwa and also omantimi ensima da braka na sa kensi no otimi sampasa na nema esia kwa na eno echi no nema epiem na enya nika emo boni akoma ehwese na 2 games no agro no esikoe
giving away possession. Here is Lamte onto the part of Opon. Opon finds Mukwala. Sense of awareness from Isaac Opon, but Mukwala didn't give up. Zakaria Fuseni was caught ball watching.
No. I was an Kensin is of course Steve Desi Mukwala Kodokop goal scorer no na all she go no I'm not in it no na say Chelsea for one defender back asana no eje twede kakra sana Irum Honum. Steve Desi Mukwela after the game. Ninkoma or Dijani.
I feel so delighted. You know, when Kotoko wins, then Kumasi is red. Yeah, so I feel so delighted to have scored and my team win.
You scored and your team win. In the last couple of games, you've been in some fine form. You are assisting, you are scoring. What's the personal feeling like?
Yeah, basically like a striker, if you start scoring, because our ambitions as a strikers so is to create and score. So if I create and score, then it's a plus for me and for my team as well.
You backed 11 goals last season for Kotoko. What are your general expectations this season?
Yeah, basically this season I hope to score more than I scored last season. That's my target. I feel so delighted.
Steve Desi Mukwela, when I say cinema is I say I want to score more. Next when you go no more. Obetimi ashe but as a defenders ne name kan tan cross kakra na akwamu na mu da ho a obeti goals no say eno so 18 asa ba hye no so ma me say year ending with 3 any year ending with 4 no koroko e with 3 victories ewum and afeso has just 1 victory ewum na mum second coming hante kotoko dwumadi a wom so eguso edim nyame adoma ye de honkomo no so betia sa ba but ukoma Christopher Enin ono ane kitabrekum Chelsea boboko no na nura Arsenal tatis no ekonwe ne senkakra but after the game ne nkomo ni
I don't normally talk about officiating, but the referee did not make the game the way it's supposed to go. It's very. I've never spoken about officiating, but in fact I'm not happy.
Beyond that, were you happy with how your boys played? Did they play to your instructions?
Not really, but we still need to work. You understand? Playing away against Kotoko is not that easy. So it's something that we need to accept, go back, and then work and bounce back. It's quite a good game, but I don't normally talk about officiating, but the referee did not make the game the way it's supposed to go. It's very. I've never spoken about officiating. But
yeah, and also it's me PM no. There's a coach and the Christopher Enin Brekum Chelsea for a coach no or complaining about officiating or saying I won't say kun. Now we send a message because Brekum Chelsea nyom kwan Steven Amankuna mo na during the game no na complaints is cause it's a game no and so it's me about the but the ending tom the 3rd edition of Robert Smith Law Group in collaboration with Asempa FM and you did the Law for Society. You know, Robert Smith Law Group no and Pimpi no wom etade ba fi Asempa FM so ko bata ho emele dwumedi 8 times to see kama na Moving Pick Ambassador Hotel and an anu fieda on the 1st of December 2023 dwumedi 8 FM na former players be Sir John Pencil mo and afi players a would be brina 8 BPM ho na uhwese na nyama ese course amanim for lawyer for to 20 animpon and a BPM also dwumedi kese na se na former Blasters player we no dey tudwa efa ekwankwa ya omo efa so enya to bi de to e ma players esi aka obrichiri oba Ghana hadia as a sadie no aboy tese na infifiri aboy tekrema so.
Playing football, you need a lawyer. Because whatever we do in this world, you can't do without lawyers. Like Samir Nim was mentioned, Sir Bobby. He's also my lawyer. He has been there for me. And you know, we footballers, we don't have much education. So when somebody advises you, you take it. Playing in England, playing in Europe, as a player, you have like 4 years contract. You can buy a mortgage, house. Buying a house doesn't mean you should take all your money to buy a house. Once you are working, monthly money is coming. So the bank will look at it and say, okay, he's earning $4,000. And maybe every month he can pay 200 cedis. So we'll give you. So after 4 years, you have a house. So imagine you play 10 clubs in Europe. You have 10 houses. So for me, that was my route. And I think I did it very well. So now, when we say, okay, house here, now I think some of my players, my academy, I'm housing them in. That's my benefit. And as a player...
See, John Pencil, a former Black Stars player, and I think Castle didn't come 8 Jano. Now, also, Quabrichedia, Umra Obobono, Contrageno, now ye to be the tournament. Tibetan about waiting to fee tea, Oba, on my dapatem after so Bobo 8 or share side experience. The third edition of the Robert Smith Law Group in collaboration with Asempa FM. Jumedia on friend say the Law for Society, a public seminar Kesiepa, it's me about so Asempa FM Dimo Cotino, and a design shall soon create when certain times so you can't a lawyer Bobia, with himself young, energetic, vibrant, but very matured a lawyer. Or no elbow place be Omujumedia, a yana Omudimiti, and Nanwada, John Penton, who didn't dance as a sanshi, in a bio kruma, in Kibitia boy, I'm a place no. We went to Roya Budida and yet Anika Media Edinum. Yanko Mubiondia, Nessa Lagos, Omo Base Air Golfer, FNC Sunday Olepadi, na Sunday Olapadi, 2023 Professional Air Golf Tournament about so Ewadamano, ono and a check gun and Abrantia Bako FNC Kuju, and I say Kujo, Brani, it's me Esibrimna, and Yasam Keto Krana, Kujo Bani, Oshe Ayesana, Obo Gan Hapana, Ubian himself a crafty, but Sunday Olapadi. And Bobre on so exciting playoff and it's me basso nano memeda.
First for 10th edition Adom PGA Championship na beria omo modi omo huji munyina epo omo modene abranti ani tiandi Sunday Olapade yo free Nigeria ono ene peja nsa ya odinkunim a wo kire kojo yo no defending champion epo no playoff nimu a ye numu kojo bani. It's
not an easy game to come and play with the boys. The boys here, you know, they know the course properly more than me because I come here once in a year. So when we are playing today, I was following the guy, you know, because I know the course. I was following him, but at the end of the day, so I catch him to force the playoff, which I won today.
Urani Diade Hans Debak, a coordinator at the Mago Face PGA tournament. Or can some kakra?
These golfers are really set up to go a step higher than they are right now.
Olapade alatani di na Saturday number against na Sunday die na so Sunday Olapade oche Kojobani so enye Monday ne abo against ne timu na na nyemu dey but otan say ma Sunday Olapade alatani di share alata for golf yi eche ne bobre e wono so we da man ani tiensa ba so a ye de nkomo akran so etiensa judge me adoma ye beto so edi eye nkomo nketenkete bebre na achi na ye de abre oba hye no so ma me say game park games de chacha so kwetiensa ba boys di a edi no enya asem ketwa kra ba Adom TV so anopa ye de draw no eba so na afawia ya sand draw na ba na afanyumre so ya sand draw no etiensa ba modern da say game park games about with the bank amafu twa umudi a umudi no enya asem ketwa kra kan game park games a no wagem so say momula more power sika and the mau a to me and no power kingdom heba at the kingdom home estate and so saba na HSA quality houses affordable houses and a medium dance here the amount facility no second to none or drive along the roadside now a serene atmosphere na fe so kwan high standard air security service CCTV cameras and electricity so adwuma and afe so kwan air standby generator so and also air adwuma pa so hu asem kwade yenka nsu ne se air be ani bomodi da se obepɛ kingdom home estate womo edan papa bi no atia sa to akodam na bo ma niam atia kwedi ma se o te Ghana ha na se o te abuchi o pedan to a nya fe na ne land gas for 8 years akokɔ mra akoto asase na de chekra esisan tu a digging fee ene ho koniaba da bi wedi esidan ne da kingdom home estate ho komo ana medija no o kingdom estate nsumu a wo yesa na niam esi ekɔ a o abri botanical gardens no obetia akoboti force nso etia akohwe ani so ade asfe safari valley nso betia akɔ na afi so kra no o san close to tetekwashi memorial hospital no into a pomodon sem so to bahakra obenya ba bi so edwani etima sanchire ewe kropon right after letter junction no on sabetimi aka kingdom home estate na fe onso wetia to dan bi na akwadwudwere home na boa emaniama etia kwede ma o kan twero sem na say good father is the one who lays an inheritance for his children's children enti unya sa ejapadie bia uma ene omoma enso betia sa betrem na boa emaniama etia kwede ma kingdom heba esan de kingdom garlic bitters aba and the kingdom garlic capsules so etia sa ba boost immune system no na boa ema yade de one ne beton kwanta pai afi blood pressure na ifi cholesterol na reduce sugar level no esan boa ema eni so anwa adore o mojem no esem kama na boa ma pom don sem ejina yi yasan the new kingdom ginseng power capsules aba memedro no roba ko betia saboa wagina so preme ase kufodua traffic light no na obo adwuma be so don hwere ha ene akiri bomodin da mema no on set me ke be ye na fe ma no so ohwe na be ma no problem to new kingdom ginseng power capsules bi ma no mane memene be se 15 minutes later no ohwe adwuma obebo a wankasa wani ebeje ho yasan the tremendous capsules aba ma na duru no me pa twa ahimfi ho no bu ha ohwe se nema ese koso afre bra kodwu no nye so a na no ada nani anje se na ahimfi ho esitie opese amafo edi wahimfi ho akoniaba na afi so yeto Bugatti edema odia tremendous capsules eboa emeho chitisa amada bomodin da se usabetia ka tremendous capsules edroi anu enam setete usatimi ka bibetia boa ema niama akoye dia ma candidiasis white fita na so di poa de preparatory nkabone de unti bi ewa himfio tremendous capsules edua eye no edroi nidin ene ne honam ese enti bomodin da se unsabe ka bi ukọ okan shidaglena unsabetia ka kingdom herbal center na onya se no papa bi etia to obetia from 053 614 9961 053 614 9961 na 030 393 9987 030 393 9987 na one kingdom yanhwetwe nko ka kingdom a ose no challenger obi enu ha obetimi ne edi chempe e wo dwumadi a wo mu edimu omo ya de se madama wo na no pai wo mu ta chire bo media wo kanse wo sempa esa kanti jawo within the prof ike wala sa good catch back up na mjina of course evidence based presentation it jawo ochena ekwe wukwada me adoma particle sergeant kanti masungu or the songo stake enso ebetian saba no sena nyama esieko erade ntena ni ma onye okese yifi bi nda so ni fanko bi nda so yeso esu die nya ka chire wadum tv so no edoso dodo ka chire busuanfo na fofo oyere oma wo fasefo nananum ukunu mu se mu bia ensore nko ba bia wonko so ntam na fi biem kese se bi obi twem ofichire a ono so ebetian starting komo ni bi within the prof ike wala the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.